Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Lynn with PlasmaEnergySolution.com. Today is August 24th, 2023. I want to tell you about a video I just posted, and I will put the link there. And what I did is I went through all the different ways of how you can use plasma energy water. And so page after page, I'm showing pictures of things that I have done and how I use it around the house, and how you might be able to also use it around your house. And so please do take the time to go over and take a look at that, and do pay attention on that video about the specials we have, because you can really have some excellent savings in August of 2024. All right, well, thanks for watching, and again, it's PlasmaEnergySolution.com. Thanks.